Welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for clicking on yet another video. This is my December Ipsy unbagging, and I'm super excited to bust into this thing with you all. I have no idea what most of these products are in this bag, and I literally just got it in the mail, so I'm excited to unbox it or unbag it with you all today. For those of you who might be new here, thanks for checking this video out. I'm a full-time working mom. I have 4 young kids, and I really love making videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my recent reselling journey on Poshmark as well. So if those things sound at all interesting to you, please consider checking out my other videos linked down below, and please also consider subscribing to this channel linked down below as well. So again, for this video, I'm just going to unbag my December Ipsy bag with you all today. For those of you who aren't familiar with Ipsy, it is a monthly subscription service, and you get 5 beauty products to try out every month. They've done a little bit of a revamp recently, so now just with the basic subscription, you're able to choose one of the items in this bag. So I do know what one of the items are, and I'll share that with you once I open it up. But the remainder of the items are a complete surprise, so I'm really excited to share with you guys what I got, in addition to sharing with you some of my first impressions on these products. So I'm going to go ahead and just tear into this thing. So here's the beautiful new Ipsy packaging. I'm going to go ahead and open this up for you all. So I love getting my Ipsy subscription, as I said in other videos. Besides this and FabFitFun, I don't do any other subscription services. These are really my 2 favorites. And I just love these little surprises every month. Okay. Ooh, this is a really pretty bag. Looks like I already have one of the products here, which I will share with you in a minute. But look at this, perfect for holiday. It's a really festive little pouch. The feel isn't that soft, I'll say. Definitely feels like faux leather, but probably pretty durable. And it has branded there with Ipsy on it. So let's just bust into and see what's inside. I'm going to just pull out the information card here first, and I will reference this throughout the video just to let you know a little bit more about the products I get. So I'm just going to put this aside here. And the first thing, I think I'm just going to show you what was outside of the bag. So sometimes if they have a little bit of a bulkier product that just won't fit in the bag like this, they'll just throw it in outside of it. And this is the one item that I did select. So it's a makeup brush. It's the Complex Culture All Over Highlight Powder Brush. So I was excited to give this one a try, and the packaging looks really cool. It's an eco-friendly product. It's an all-over highlight brush. It's vegan, cruelty-free, of course, so there's the packaging. So I will be honest with you, I don't typically select brushes from Ipsy just because I have a lot of them, and I got a lot of them from Ipsy, I'll say. And really, how many brushes can you work through? So I usually don't select it. But as you will all see in my Sephora holiday haul that I'll link down below, I did recently splurge on the new Hourglass Ghost ambient lighting palette. So to go along with that, I wanted to get a new highlighting brush or powder brush as well. So when I saw this pop up as one of the selections on Ipsy, I decided to go ahead and give this one a try. It comes with a nice little cover here, as you can see. And then I'll take that off. This looks really pretty. The handle is really nice. It has a nice feel. It says all over highlight powder brush. So I think this is going to be perfect to use with that Hourglass Ghost palette, just because the bristles and the brush head are pretty streamlined. So you're able to go into little pots of powder like that palette has. So this is why I particularly went for this brush. The brush head is really, really soft to the touch, so I'm excited to give this one a try. So I'm going to try this out with the palette. So in a future video, I'm going to try to let you know what I think about this brush and also the actual Hourglass palette as well, once I do have a chance to kind of get to use them both a little bit more. The next thing I pull out here is this Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty. It says it is the Cake Beauty Milkmaid Indulgent Body Milk Cream. And it's all over body cream, it looks like, with moisturization. Just to use this, basically a body cream. And it says totally to die for indulgent body milk cream out of oat milk. Candied cream, it says. So I wonder if that's how it smells. I'm not sure. We'll see. But there's the packaging. And let's see, it's probably sealed. But I will go ahead and unseal it here to give it a try for you. So there is definitely a scent to this. It does smell like candy, like the packaging says. So let's see how it looks. So it's a body cream. So I don't imagine it would be as thick as a typical hand cream, but it looks pretty thick actually. It feels pretty thick for a body cream. So it sounds like it's gonna be really, really moisturizing. Look at how thick that is. So it's definitely not like a body lotion. It really is like a true cream. This might be a really nice hand cream. There is a very strong candied scent though. So a very sweet, strong scent. So if you're not into these kind of candied sweet scents, this is probably not going to be one for you. I personally don't mind it. I probably wouldn't put this on before work or something that will compete with my normal fragrances, because I think it probably would compete a little. But at night, I think this is going to be perfect before bed and kind of go to bed relaxing to this type of scent, which I love. But it's really, really moisturizing. So I'm going to try this particularly at night as an all-over body cream. Maybe as a hand cream during the day, but I have to use it kind of sparingly if I have other scents on. Okay, so that's my second product, the Cake body cream. The next thing here looks like it is a highlighter. It's a glow lighter, a focal point. And let's see, it's Colored Rain Cosmetics. It's the glow lighter in Selfie. So it just says you can use your fingertips and sweep some across your lids, corner of your eyes for a radiant champagne eye look. So this is actually a highlighter, but also to use on your eyes as well. It's a very big pot. And although it says you can use your fingers, I might try it with a brush later too. Got my new highlighter brush in this pack. Look at how big that is. It's a huge tin. It swatches pretty nicely on the finger. Look at that. And I'll try to swatch it on my hand for you. So this is a nice highlighter. Ipsy does give a lot of highlighters though, so I have quite a few of them. So I'm really not looking at getting a whole lot more in terms of highlighters. As I just mentioned, I didn't get the Hourglass one, but look at that. That's a really pretty one. It's kind of a champagne-y, yellowy tint to it. I mean, I have a lot of highlighters, but I'll give this one a try, especially at this time of year. I think it's really festive to add a little bit of pop-up highlighter on your cheeks. So I'm gonna give that one a try. And then I have just two more products here. So this next one is the Aromatic Rose Absolute First Serum. Ooh, it looks like a really nice serum. And that's a pretty good container or volume of serum there. And I imagine as a typical serum, you don't need to use a whole lot of it. And let's see, so it says that it's made of course, natural ingredients. It hydrates, illuminates your skin. You're supposed to use 3 drops on clean, dry skin, morning and night, and press it into your face, just like a serum. So this is probably gonna go a really long way if you only use 3 drops of it. So let me see how it looks. Oh, it's sealed as well. But there is a rose scent to it. So it looks really nice. I don't know, I'm not sure if I know much at all about this brand, Aromatica, but yeah, it's something fun to kind of try out in terms of serums. I don't really have a really good serum routine. I just kind of try different ones here and there. If you have a really awesome serum that you live and die for, let me know. I definitely am interested in trying it out, but I don't really have a go-to yet, I'll say that. I kind of try different ones as I come across them, but yeah, I'll give this one a try. We'll see how it works out. And then I just have one final product in here, and this is from Tarte. So I do love Tarte. I use their Shape Tape. I definitely like some of their other products. In fact, actually works out that I just put on some of the Tarte lip gloss or lip balm. I think it's called the Lip Quench, which I just hauled in my Sephora haul that I'll link down below as well. But I really like this Lip Quench. It reminds me in terms of the scent and the taste. It's a little minty. It kind of like books some glosses, but it's really not sticky at all. There's a little bit of a wash of color as you can see, but it's really, really comfortable and moisturizing. So it's perfect for this time of year, I think. So again, I'm wearing the Tarte Lip Quench, which I think is probably my most favorite product from Tarte so far. And I've tried their blushes before as well. I think this is a blush in a mini size. So the blush is from the Amazonian Clay line. It's a 12-hour blush in the color Kisses. So yeah, it's so cute. Look at this. It says Tarte on it. And their blushes are really nice. This Amazonian Clay line is nice. I've tried their foundation from the line too, which is also good. So really pretty. And let me swatch it a little bit here. So it looks like it's kind of a pinky, maybe a touch of corally color. There is on the finger, if you can see that. And then let me swatch it next to my highlighter. So it goes on a little bit dark for me, but I think if you blend it out, it should be okay. But you can see there. And it's, I'd say, more of a pinky hue, at least in this colorway. You can see that there. So blushes, like highlighters and other things like that, I just really don't work through that quickly. So I'm not certain I'll get a whole lot of use out of this. I do like the Tarte line though, so I think this will be a good travel one just because look at how small it is. It's really convenient for that purpose, but on a day-to-day, I probably won't reach for it all that much just because I have so many other blushes that I really like. But it's a really cute packaging and a really nice little add-on. So that's the final product I got. And that is it. So that's the end of the unboxing for the month of December. I love this little pouch. I'm definitely going to get some use out of this for sure. So there you have it. That was my Ipsy bag for December. Let me know what you guys think. I think it was an okay bag. It's definitely not my most favorite bag of all time, but I do really like the brush. I'm excited to try that out like I mentioned, and I will let you know how it works out for me. And some of the other stuff, you know, to be honest, I think I'll dabble into a little bit, but I'm really not going to use all that much. So in terms of how good this bag is, definitely not one of my most favorite months. But you know, it's all right. That's how Ipsy goes. It's kind of fun just to see what you're going to get. If you have any questions about these products, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you have any questions about my experience with Ipsy so far, also let me know in the comments down below. Otherwise, please don't forget to check out my other videos, including my other makeup videos that I've linked as well. And consider subscribing to this channel too. Once again, thank you so much for your support of this channel, and I'll plan to see you again in my next video. Bye!